Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. Today I want to show you how to make a beautiful and simple pendant necklace with your own ring. It sounds great, right? Of course, you will need a ring. It can be a gold ring, silver ring, even a crystal ring. And this time I would like to use a blue Kyanite Pixiu to make this pendant. If you don't have a Pixiu, you can use any crystal parts that can fit in your ring. And as usual, I always love to add one bead on top of the pendant. And then I will use 0.8 mm black braided cord. You can use other colors, it's your own preference. Like this one, I use brown. And this one I use black for gold. I think it's more outstanding. Is it simple enough? In fact, at the end of the strings, we can use another way to make it more special. Do they look like leaves? So in the next video, I will show you how to do it. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.